Hello friends, in this video lecture, we are going to discuss the break statement in Python. The break statement terminates the loop containing it. If a break statement encounters within the body of the loop, it will terminate the loop. That means control of the program flows to the statement immediately after the body of the loop. If a break statement is inside a nested loop means loop inside another loop. Break will terminate the innermost loop. Syntax is given here. This is a statement. Break is a statement, all in the small letter. Here a flow chart for the break statement. So this is a loop. The program control enters the loop. It tests the expression of the loop. If the condition is true, it will come inside the body. Inside the body, if there is a situation for a break statement, if there is some condition, if the condition is true means the break statement will get encountered. In such a case, the control will come out of the loop. That means control is transferred to the next statement after the body of the loop. The condition, for example, if you take a if statement which contain a break inside its scope. If the condition is false means the break statement will not get encountered. On the time the control remain in the body of the loop. After the execution of the body, again the control will go back to the header of the loop and check the condition. The condition is true, the control will come inside the body. The loop will execute. So here we are having a code snippet how the break is working inside the for loop and the while loop. So working of the break statement in the for loop and while loop is shown below. For variable in a sequence for loop, inside the for loop there is a condition. If the condition is true, the break statement will get encountered. Then control will come out of the body of the for loop. That means the next statement after the for loop. In the while loop also, if the break statement encounters, the control will come out of the body of the while loop. That is code outside the while loop. Now we will take a sample input and check how this break statement works. Here I am writing a for loop for I in, I am having a string. The string is the string only in the double quotation colon. I am checking a condition if I double equal to n, the value of I double equal to n. So within the if statement, I am giving this break. So how this loop works? For I in string is a string, it's a sequence. For is a keyword, I is a loop variable. Here we are having in statement. The value I will take the s in the first iteration, t in the second iteration, r in the third iteration, and so on. So when I takes the value n, in such a case, here I is holding a value n, double equal to n is true, then break statement will get encountered. Otherwise, I am writing print I. I am printing the value I. So after the for loop, I am printing the end. So the print statement which is located outside the body of the for loop. So for I in a string, for is a keyword for the for loop, I is a loop variable. In operator helps the I to take the value one by one. I will take the value yes in the first iteration and check here I equal to n is false, it will print I, s will get printed. And next we'll take t, t is not equal to n, so this will not be true, t will get printed, like r and I will get printed. When I reaches n, n equal to n is true, then the break statement will get encountered, the control will come out of the loop and print the statement after the body of the for loop, that is the end. So we have to understand, we have to give an indentation for the scope in the Python. So the if statement is within the body of the for loop. Here the break is within the body of the if statement. Now we will execute the program and check the result. So str I and the end, because when I takes the value n, what will happen? The n equal to n is become true and the break is encountered. That's why the control comes out and print the end, the print statement which is located after the body of the for loop. That's it. In this video lecture, we have discussed about how the break statement works along with an example. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.